Thinning hair solutions, how hair patches can boost your confidence. Thinning hair can feel like a huge confidence killer. But what if I told you this simple, non-surgical solution that can give you back a head full of hair almost instantly? Yes, I'm talking about hair patches. But are they safe? Do they look natural? And how to compare them with other hair restoration treatments? Let's break it all down in today's video. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some important do's and don'ts to ensure your hair patch looks and feels perfect. What is a hair patch? A hair patch is a non-surgical hair replacement system designed for people experiencing hair thinning, bald patches or alopecia. It's made of natural or synthetic hair attached to a breathable base that blends seamlessly with your scalp. Customizable. Matches your hair color, texture and style. It's non-invasive, no surgery or painful procedure. It gives instant transformation, that is fuller hair in just one sitting. It's like having your dream hair instantly but without the hassle of long treatments. Who can benefit from a hair patch? Hair patches are ideal for people who have male or female pattern baldness, experience hair thinning due to stress, hormonal changes, or medical conditions, want a quick and reversible hair restoration solution, cannot or do not want to undergo hair transplant surgery. Are hair patches safe? One of the biggest concerns people have is safety. The good news, hair patches are completely safe when used correctly. There are no side effects. Unlike medications like minoxidil or finasteride, hair patches do not affect your hormones or scalp health. It is non-surgical, no pain, no recovery time and no scarring. Skin-friendly materials. High-quality patches are made with breathable, lightweight materials that do not irritate the scalp. But beware, cheap or poorly fitted hair patches can cause scalp irritation and itching, excess sweating or discomfort, and unusual or unnatural bulky appearance. That's why it's crucial to get a professionally customized hair patch from a trusted skin clinic. Types of hair patches and how they work. There are different types of hair patches depending on your needs and budget. Clip-on hair patches. Best for temporary use and easy to remove. Taped hair patches. Secured with a medical grade adhesive for a natural look. Bonded hair patch. A semi-permanent option that stays on for weeks. The right choice depends on the lifestyle, patient's budget and level of hair loss. Hair patches versus hair transplant. Which is better? Well, hair patch is a non-surgical, instant result and affordable option but needs regular maintenance. Whereas hair transplant is a surgical solution, it is permanent and it gives natural hair growth, but it is costly and takes months to show results. Choose a hair patch for a quick, painless fix. Choose a hair transplant for a long-term, natural solution. If hair thinning is affecting your confidence and you want a quick, natural-looking solution, a hair patch is definitely worth considering. If you're worried about your hair fall, hair thinning is affecting your confidence and you want a quick, natural-looking solution, a hair patch is definitely worth considering. If you're worried about your hair fall and want a guidance on which is the best option for you, book a consultation at Skinfinity Derma. Our experts will help you choose the best option that will be best for you. Like, share and subscribe for more expert advice on skin and hair care. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident. This is your dermatologist, Dr. Ipshita Johari, signing off. Namaskar.